Welcome to Learning English with Leanne. Help with writing. This video will help you to use when and while. This is video number 2. Also watch video number 1 to help you use when and while. Linking simple and continuous actions. This is for intermediate and certificate 2 English students. Use when to show the important or main event in your sentence. So here we have some sentences. I was cooking dinner, he got home. We were watching a movie, my mother rang. We were swimming, it started to rain. So we can see in sentence number 1, we have the past continuous, our longer action, and number 2, we have past simple. We can use the past simple to show the main event or the important event. So we're going to use when to link this. I was cooking dinner when the main event, he got home. 3 and 4, we were watching a movie, our longer action, when main event or important event, my mother rang. 5 and 6, we were swimming, our longer action, it started to rain, our main event. So we're going to use when. We were swimming when it started to rain. So we can use it with a longer action first, linking with when to show a main event or an important action that happens. Here are some more examples using when with the past simple. I was walking to work when I found $50. My longer action, what I was doing, I was walking to work. My main event, my important action, I found $50. We're linking with when. We can start with when. When I found $50, comma, the comma is important to separate our two clauses. I was walking to work. So my main event is first. I found $50. And what was I doing? I was walking to work. I was cooking dinner when I burnt my hand. So my longer action, what I was doing at the time, my main event, I burnt my hand. We link with when. We can start the sentence with when. When I burnt my hand, comma, I was cooking dinner. The comma is very important between your two clauses. When the power went off, comma, I was reading a book. The main event, the power went off. And what was I doing? I was reading a book. When he called me, I was working. So our short action, our main event, he called me. My longer action, what I was doing at the time, I was working. Use while with the past continuous to show longer or background actions, what was happening at the time. So here we have some sentences. He helped the children. I was cooking dinner. It started to rain. We were waiting for the bus. So we're going to use while with the longer actions. So sentence 1 and 2, the main event, the main action, he helped. The longer action, I was cooking. So we're going to link with while. He helped the children while I was cooking dinner. While is showing our background, our longer actions at the time. It started to rain while we were waiting for the bus. Here are some more examples. Use while with the past continuous. So I have my main event. I saw the doctor. We use while and the past continuous to say what we were doing at the time. He was looking after the children. While it's linking the two statements together to make one sentence. We can also start with while. While he was looking after the children, I saw the doctor. So you can see while with the past continuous, he was looking after the children, comma, I saw the doctor, main event. Main event, I saw an accident, link with while, and the past continuous, I was walking home. I saw an accident while I was walking home. Or start with while I was walking home, we have while in the past continuous. We add a comma to separate our two statements or clauses. Main event, I saw an accident. While I was walking home, I saw an accident. Another example, while I was visiting friends, I tripped and fell. While has the past continuous, we use a comma and then we put our main actions with the past simple, tripped and fell. While they were sleeping, comma, I finished my project. While is with our longer action and the past simple for my main action, main event. Use when with the past simple to show the main or important event in your sentence, and while with the past continuous to show the longer background actions, what was happening at the time when something important happens. When and while can be used in other ways, but start by trying to write with the main event and to show longer actions. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. To subscribe, press the button in the corner. Thank you.